Small cap stocks have been soaring. Let's bring in Joe Tegay of Equity Armor Investments. Joe, what's your take on the small cap surge, and what's the better buy, big caps or small caps?
Yeah, it's a great question. You know, we saw the large caps doing fantastic early in the year. Unfortunately, maybe that came at the expense of some of the smaller businesses and even some of the larger mid caps out there. However, as we're getting closer, as we're seeing a light at the end of the tunnel, vaccine is starting to roll out. When that news came out, we saw, of course, an explosion to the upside in the Russell. We saw mid caps catching up in a big way. Now, it seems like that rumor has become news, and we're kind of consolidating here. We're trying to figure it out as the next step where we go. And maybe the market's just really looking at all in. Now, we have these valuations in some of the large cap and especially in the growth names that are sky high. And the question is, well, where do we go from here? Now, as a market historian, I guess that question is this 1997 or is this 1999? And for me, as a long volatility trader, it doesn't matter. Of course, I think that it could be 1997, and I'd want to play it to the upside, and it could be 1999. And if I have a 5-year horizon, a 10-year horizon, I'm still going to want to be in these names, but I want to do so with a volatility protection, as I always do.
Well, thank you so much for your trader thoughts today, Joe.
Thanks for having me.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.